Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're wanting to try out really good quality and very effective anti-aging skincare products, then this video is for you. This is an anti-aging skincare kit which was sent over by the company Refresh Skin Science, and I have been consistently using it for over a month, and this is my review. Links of the products will be in the description box. This is their foaming cleanser with purslane extract, something I'm trying out for the first time, and I'm really sure that that ingredient had something to do with making my skin really smooth. This product took me completely by surprise. I really did not expect this product to be so good. This is not the squeaky clean type, which I really hate. This is a gentle cleanser, and it does such a fantastic job in removing everyday sunscreen, compact, eye, brow, and lip products. This contains vitamin E, A, aloe vera gel, and glycerine. It also contains pomegranate extracts, potato extracts, and hyaluronic acid, all of which is very soothing and calming on the skin, and also targets issues like acne and excess sebum very effectively. The 3% PHA alcohol-free face toner, hands down, has to be my most favorite product from this kit. I have been constantly spritzing this on my face ever since I laid my hands on it. It is that good. It is a perfect fit for clogged and congested pores. It did make the appearance of my pores look smaller and more smoother. This contains glycerine, aloe vera gel, zinc and niacinamide, great combo at that, witch hazel extract, apple cider vinegar, fructose, sucrose, biotin, dipanthenol. It is a fantastic ingredient list and a very effective formulation. In my personal opinion, this is such a good product and it worked so very well for me. The next product is a superstar anti-aging ingredient, that is a 2% gram-active retinoid. I'm sure if you are in your 40s and have mature skin, then you would have already started in your retinoid journey. I already have, so retinoids are not something which I'm using for the first time. If you are using it for the first time, please do a patch test. This is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles and improving the texture of your skin. It also combats concerns like acne scars and pigmentation. This contains vitamin C, which is going to help in brightening, and also it does contain hyaluronic acid and olive squalane. That is the reason this formulation is not very drying on the skin. It gets absorbed instantly and absolutely no sticky or tacky afterfeel. The next one is a 20% vitamin C serum, definitely not for beginners. If you already haven't started off on your vitamin C journey, then this one is not for you. I already have. I am used to lesser percentages and I've also used a 20% one. So this is not something new in my skincare, and also I do not use this on the days when I use my 2% gram-active retinoid. This is very effective in reducing dark spots and pigmentation issues. One does contain retinoid in it. It also contains witch hazel. Calming ingredients side, you do have jojoba oil and aloe vera gel, vitamin E. So products, and also the most important one is that whatever skincare you use, especially if you're using actives like retinoids and vitamin C, I highly urge you to definitely apply a good amount of sunscreen every single day. Do not skip your sunscreen even if you're indoors. This is the packaging in which all the products came in. It says hello sunshine, and also every time you make a purchase from this brand, they're going to plant a tree somewhere in the world, so you're going to contribute to a greener tomorrow. And also this is a cruelty-free product. It has no sulfates, silicones, parabens and fragrance in it. I really did like all of their products. Their ingredient list is very good. Their formulation was so very effective on me. I am actually very impressed. I'm looking forward to trying out more products from them. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found this review useful, and you know the drill. If you did, do like, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. So until my next one, take care and bye bye.